When I'm live on TikTok, so many people come in and ask me how to actually start reselling. And it's very, very simple. Step one, you need places to sell your items. Open an eBay or Vinted account. Step two, you need something to sell. What I do not recommend is going towards a vendor or a supplier purely because you're inexperienced and you won't know what to do. The way I started reselling is that I use Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree to find local listings in my area where I can make money on. I sell video games and Lego purely because I used to love that when I was a kid, and that's my niche. Step three, accurately pricing items. This is super important when you see a listing and you think you can make profit. You should use eBay lowest priced to find out what's the lowest listed price on eBay. Then you need to go check out any recently completed and sold items on eBay to solidify your findings and find out how much that item goes for exactly. Step four, pick up the listing if it is enough money in there. Make sure to take professional photos on eBay and Vinted and get them listed as soon as possible. When you list your items, make sure it is competitively priced, otherwise it will not sell. Step five, once that item has sold, make sure you package it professionally. If it is games, make sure they go in an envelope, a padded envelope. And if they are something like Lego, consoles, make sure they go in a box and well protected with padded and bubble wrap. That is literally it, guys. Let's not overcomplicate reselling. It's very simple to do and requires low capital. Good luck out there, and let me know how you do in the comments below.